Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Let's do something sound professional with a smartphone. Having Audio Evolution Mobile is like having a Yamaha keyboard. It is simple. You can install Audio Evolution Mobile and download Yamaha sound fonts in it. There are many tutorials on YouTube helpful for learning how to use this mobile music creation DAW. This is another simple home studio for producers and very special for beginners. Here is one of my favorite locally well-known Namibian gospel music beat. This is how I created it on a mobile phone. Let me know your thoughts, like and share the video. Thank you for watching. G# Vambo Voice Channel.
Vambo Voice Production. Vambo Voice Production. Vambo Voice Production.